Hello, right now I'm in Adobe Premiere Pro and I will teach you how to make a video to watch in phone. So which means right now in this video,
welcome to my channel. To encourage me with more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to never miss an update.
is shot in landscape, right? So when you just watch like this type in phone, it doesn't feel right because it doesn't fill the whole screen. So I will teach you that. The first thing is we can go to like crop over here. When you are here, you go to effects and then type crop, then you will find this crop. So when you put like this crop, then you find these things here. So click here on the square and then you can crop like this, like how much ever you want. So once this is done, we can fit the model in this like this in this video, because phone's aspect ratio is somehow like this, right, on the portrait. So done. Now what we need to do is go to file and export, Control M, then you find this like as a default. Okay, so this is the whole screen that you're gonna see in your phone. So this is also not right because the darkened areas are too much and it will affect the screen. So let's go to HD264 and automatically it comes up Android tablet, so it doesn't matter what comes out. Most important thing is click on this chain. Okay, click on this and then you can play around. So let's see how it goes. So here, go to here, like go to source scaling and click on here and don't forget to put scale to fill. So it comes up like this. So it's a mistake in cropping over here, so we're gonna make it more closer, somehow like this. This is like a phone portrait, so when you play like this, it will play in full screen in the phone, just like this, simple. So for example, you don't want to crop this, you just imported your video here. When you go here, you find like this in the landscape. Then even without cropping you can do that. Just go to file and do the same thing, export media, Control M, and then yeah, we have already done, so it's all here. Don't forget to put scale to fit and then you can start the thing. Okay, so when you decrease this, the portrait form comes up. That's all you need to do until and unless the right aspect ratio comes in. So that's it. Now you can have a full screen in your phone. Now we can just export, right?